Hello, this is Robert from Beyond 20. Today I'm going to review the system lock mode, or commonly referred to as maintenance mode within Cherwell. You may find it necessary to enable the system lock for major upgrades, or if you're running multiple load balance servers and Cherwell must be upgraded on each server, it's going to take a few extra minutes for that upgrade to complete. So to enable the system lock and set a message to display to users, we want to go ahead and open up the orange planet. Then navigate to Security on the left, and then select Lock the System. It's pretty easy. We just want to go ahead and check the Lock System box, and then we often like to add a little bit more information here just to give users a general idea of when to expect the maintenance to complete. So I'm going to go ahead and mention that this is scheduled to end at about 8:30 Eastern. So locking the Cherwell system will prevent new users from logging into Cherwell. And one thing to note, I said new users attempting to log in. This is going to allow existing users to stay logged into the system, and they will remain logged in. However, a customizable message that we just set here by the admin planet will display whenever a new user attempts to log in. So to mimic that, we'll go ahead and fire up the blue planet here. And you'll notice that this message comes up and says the system's locked for maintenance, scheduled to end at 8:30 p.m. Eastern. So any new users that attempt to log in are going to see that message now. I did mention earlier that it's going to allow existing users to remain logged into the system. So we might actually want to handle that by booting them out here. But let's go ahead and take a look at who's currently logged in. Also, under Security, go to the View Currently Logged In Users link. And depending on who is in the system or the number of users, we may want a quick phone call to let them know that we're placing Cherwell in maintenance mode and that he or she may need to save any work and log out. But depending on who that is, you might just end up booting them out if you see they haven't really been active for a while. They might have just left the blue planet open and logged in. So you can go ahead and click the broken chain link here next to the refresh button, and this is going to force everyone out of the Cherwell system. You go ahead and click yes. And now anyone that was currently logged in is now logged out completely. So now we've been able to place Cherwell in maintenance mode, set up the proper notification to display whenever a new user tries to log in, and then ensure that nobody else is currently logged into the system. Once we're ready to remove the lock or remove the maintenance mode, we'll go back to that Lock the System area and then check the Unlock System box and click OK. And this is essentially turning that off. And that's all there is to it for the Cherwell system lock or maintenance mode. This is Robert with Beyond 20. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for other Cherwell tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.